Hey there! Is your iPhone giving you that annoying flash is disabled error? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy ways to get your camera flash up and running again. Stick around and let's get it started together. Before diving into fixes, let's quickly rule out any hardware issues with your iPhone's flash. First, open the App Store. Then type in Check My Device. Now, install the app. After that, tap Open. Scroll down until you find the flash option. Open it up and try to turn on the flash from there. If it fails, it might be a hardware issue. But don't worry, let's try the following solutions before we give up. Solution 1. Force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom and pause in the middle of the screen if you don't have a home button, or double-click the home button if you do. Next, find the camera app and swipe up to close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Wait for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now, reopen the camera app and see if the flash is back to normal. Solution 2. Cool down your iPhone. If your iPhone says flash is disabled, it could be because it's overheated. Now turn off your iPhone, put it in a cool, dry place for a few minutes. After it cools down, turn it back on and check if the flash is working. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now choose Reset All Settings. Confirm it by tapping Reset All Settings again. This will reset your settings, but no worries, you won't lose any data. Finally, check if this has resolved the flash problem. Solution 4. Visit an Apple store. If none of these solutions have worked, there might be a hardware problem with your iPhone's flash. It's best to visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider for more help. And there you have it. That's how to fix the flash is disabled error on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Got any more questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks a ton for watching. I'll see you in the next one.